So I'm back with some of my fresh insights, this time on the Hunyuan video in ComfyUI. We have been exploring consistent AI characters before. I think it's time to shift our focus towards creating AI videos for consistent characters. Let's take a look at the Hunyuan image to video workflow. You'll find all the relevant links in the description below. Alright, let's jump in and run the workflow to see how it goes. Oops, looks like we've run into an error. Something about device allocation. This is just an out-of-memory error, which can happen when we use a higher resolution for generation. Let's see what we can do to fix this. I'm going to change the D-type to FP8E5M2, which should help prevent the error. There are other D-type options available, but E5M2 tends to preserve output quality better than most. You might be thinking, why does this look different from the base image? Since we're doing image to video, it should be a continuation of that base, right? Well, you are right about it. It's because there was a missing connection here. The image needs to be linked to the start image input. Without that connection, the video didn't actually start from this image, even though it did copy some of the style from the reference image. Okay, let's run this again. Wouldn't it be helpful if we could see how long it takes to generate? There's a custom node called devutils for that. I had it installed earlier, but it's currently having some issues, so I'll need to try and fix it. I'll restart the server later to complete the installation, since a generation is currently in progress. Here's the result. It looks good and the face remains consistent. They've done a great job improving character consistency with the release of their Hunyuan image to video V2 model, which I used in this workflow. Let's try a higher resolution while keeping the seed fixed so we can compare the results later. Let's keep this result so that I can compare it with the new result. We'll increase the resolution to 1280 by 1024. It looks like it's generating now. Thankfully, no OOM error this time. It will be significantly slower, but the quality should be much better. Okay, this looks better, but there's still something off. It doesn't feel very realistic, and the camera movement seems a bit unnatural. Let's see if we can improve that. Let's try a better prompt. I'll set the resolution to 1024 by 1024. This should be enough. I've restarted the ComfyUI server, and it looks like the devutils custom nodes have been successfully installed. This will help you view the generation time. I just wanted to show you how it works here in the UI. Alright, this looks much better now. If you have any insights or tips about prompting specifically in the Hunyuan model, feel free to share them in the comments. Let's learn and grow together. I'll be back soon with a new video.